Best wagons for 2024 Volvo V60. In the competitive landscape of family-oriented vehicles, the 2024 Volvo V60 stands out as a beacon of Scandinavian design, safety, and innovation. As the demand for practical yet luxurious transportation continues to rise, the V60 sets new benchmarks for elegance, comfort, and advanced technology in the wagon segment. The 2024 Volvo V60 is powered by a range of efficient and powerful engines designed to deliver both performance and fuel efficiency. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 250 horsepower, while the optional plug-in hybrid powertrain delivers a combined output of 415 horsepower. Both powertrains come paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. Versatility is a key attribute of the 2024 Volvo V60's design, with its spacious interior and flexible cargo area catering to a wide range of needs. The V60 offers ample room for passengers and cargo alike, making it ideal for family outings, road trips, or daily commutes. The sleek exterior styling, characterized by clean lines and minimalist details, gives the V60 a refined and sophisticated presence on the road, while the available roof rails and cargo accessories add to its practicality. Inside, the 2024 Volvo V60 provides a luxurious and comfortable environment for occupants. The cabin features premium materials, elegant design elements, and advanced technology features, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The standard panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, while the available leather upholstery and heated seats ensure comfort during long journeys. Volvo's Sensus infotainment system offers intuitive controls and seamless connectivity, allowing passengers to stay connected and entertained on the go. Safety is a top priority in the 2024 Volvo V60, with a comprehensive suite of driver assist features and advanced safety technologies designed to protect occupants and prevent accidents. Standard features include Volvo's City Safety System, which includes automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and lane keeping assist. Additional available safety features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Competing in the wagon segment, the 2024 Volvo V60 faces rivals such as the Audi A4 Allroad, Subaru Outback, and Mercedes-Benz E-Class wagon. Each offers its own blend of style, performance, and technology, but the V60 stands out for its elegant design, advanced safety features, and plug-in hybrid option. In conclusion, the 2024 Volvo V60 raises the standard of elegance and safety in the wagon segment, offering a winning combination of luxury, versatility, and advanced technology. Whether tackling daily errands or embarking on family adventures, the V60 delivers an unmatched driving experience that is sure to impress discerning buyers seeking a refined and practical vehicle.